morning, guys. How y'all doing? It's Monday morning, so happy Monday to you. We've already gotten started. From the point where we were on Friday, I mentioned that I would do a video on Monday. So kind of don't really remember where I was. I think I was showing you guys where the seal, we had a bad seal back here that we removed. We replaced it. It was 100% just decayed. And we redid the decking in this area, and we're kind of working our way toward the front with the same issue, kind of sort of right now. So what we've done is, this wall is absolutely a load-bearing wall. And so I needed to replace the sole plates. I mentioned that in the last video, that the base plates in here, which is, show them what a base plate is, Kurt. Just point to the base plate for me. Right. So that's a base plate. And this base plate also has a sub plate, which is sitting right on top of the floor joist, which also has a subfloor that went underneath there, which is a little unusual, it's a little different, but I've seen it before. So what's happening here right now is I want to get to these bad sole plates. And so what we had to do was, I got myself some bridging here because we don't have any subflooring in or any kind of flooring. So I did a couple 2x10s across the floor joists, got my jacks in. I had some 4x4s, so I used those. Did a couple of top plates as if, actually this is kind of like a temporary wall. I needed to get the pressure off of these plates. So I got these in acting as a temporary wall with my jacks, and I've lifted up enough, maybe about 1/4 of an inch or 3/16, something like that, just so we can get the saw blades in here. So, yeah, go ahead. So we're cutting loose the plates. We've already taken this section out, but right over here there's a bad sub plate, so Kurt's gonna cut that off, and just gonna cut it off right up against the floor joist, and we're gonna take that out. Might need to get the blade in a little bit more. I've been telling you back it off, but you're not gonna do it. Yeah, let it come on out. Go ahead, cut it. Almost. You're almost. Yeah. So that's, yeah. So we've taken out, look at this. This is how bad. That's all water rot. I think it had some termite damage, but it's mostly water rot. And that's what we're changing. We're not leaving anything like this anywhere in this house. And there's been quite a bit, not an awful lot, but quite a bit more than normal. So what we're gonna do is I have some of these old 2x4s, show them that, Lucky. And we're gonna put those back in. I mean, I love that wood, and there's no point in taking on the additional cost if I got the exact same wood to replace it. So just so you guys can see again, go ahead, crank it up one time. And listen to what happens here, if it happens. Go. One more time. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but the walls kind of pop. It sounds like you're popping popcorn. And that's how you know that you're getting a lot of the pressure or the weight off of the wall. That allows me to work easily and accomplish what I set out to accomplish. So we're gonna go ahead, excuse me, finish this portion, and I'll show you guys what happens once I'm done and I put it all back. Also, come right here, look. I got another bad seal I just found. So remember, this is part of the foundation. And look at how bad, it's all rotten. So that's another seal that's gonna have to come out. If you guys remember me talking about pier and beam, so this is a beam, there's a pier right here, and there's a pier on the corner. So I'm only gonna change out that section. And what I didn't show you in the last video is how you cut these beams and how you interlock them to one another. So when I change this one out, we're gonna do a video and show you how you cut these lap joints and lock that together. So until the next video, happy Monday.